Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually pay in Sephora by using your credit card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's go ahead and start our video. For the matter, you can see I'm already here in Sephora.com, or you can go ahead access your app that you have on your mobile phone. Once we're in the home section, what we're gonna do first of all is we're gonna go ahead, tap on this our profile icon with our name on it given below. Once we have done so, we will find all kind of settings given, including this option called account settings. Go ahead, tap on it, where we will be able to find an option called payments and credits below in account information. Right, go ahead, tap on it. So here in this case, you can see in the payment and credits, I do not have entered any payment method. So we can go ahead, tap on this plus icon. If you have another, we can actually change it. Enter your Sephora card, or you can tap on this below and you can see if you have Sephora credit card, enter the information. If you have Visa, Mastercard, Discover, American Expresses, any of the options given below, check on it. You can just tap it, it will turn the blue, or you can go ahead, change it back. Enter your card number, which is needed obviously. Enter your month, your expiry date, and your CVV slash, and then tap on this first name, last name of your card, and tap on the country that your cards belong from. Tap on this phone, enter the street address, zip postal code that is needed, and then tap on the save option. Your card will be saved, and while you're purchasing anything from Sephora, you can use that card as a payment method. Done. And that's how you can simply use your credit card in Sephora. I hope this video was helpful to you all, and yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video.